Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Triton GL-R dual cab ute, stock reference number 4861. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 4th month 2015. It has a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-wheel-drive transmission. 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the pair of aftermarket headlights, right hand and left hand. We have the left hand fog light, right hand fog light, both with surround. Left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right front 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black cloth center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, left sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.